Walking with the ghost.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I laid this bomb ass wig in less than 10 minutes. But before we get into this, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe and notification button so you would get notified when a new video is up on the channel. So the first thing I did was I applied gel on my edges and brushed them backwards to help protect my baby hair from sticking to the wig cap. And then I did this for a few seconds. Then I wore a wig cap. This does not actually have to be in your shade. Then I sprayed Got2b glue and then I dried it out. I said it doesn't have to be in the wig cap doesn't have to be in your shade because at the end of the day we'll still have to apply foundation in your shade to make an illusion like it's your scalp. So when the glue dried out, I cut out the excess wig cap with an eyebrow blade. Then I sprayed Got2b glue again and dried it out like this. Then I applied foundation on the cap, dab dab dab. And then I cleaned the excess glue and foundation with a facial cleanser. And then I dried it out. Then I applied fresh foundation to smooth out the part I cleaned earlier. So the wig is a closure wig with adjustable bands. I applied foundation on the lace to create the illusion of a real scalp. Then I put the wig on my head. Make sure the excess part of the lace we will cut out is not placed on the part we just prepared. Make sure that you put that part on your bare skin to create an illusion of a real scalp. Then I combed the hair backwards on both sides and held it in place with a clip. Then I sprayed Got2b glue and blow dried it at the same time while I was combing it. I did this till the glue dried out. This is to avoid the glue from forming flaky white stuffs on the lace. Then I cut the excess lace with an eyebrow blade. Don't cut out the lace in a straight line. Try and do this zigzagly. Then I sprayed glue again and comb backward while blowing it out, and then pat with the back of the comb. Then I combed out a little part in front on both sides, and then cut it out to create baby hairs. Then I laid the edges and tied it for a few minutes. Then I took out the scarf. Then I applied foundation on the part to make it look like real scalp. Then I used a coily wand to flatten out the part in front. Then I sprayed got2b glue again to hide those little guys from showing. Then I melt everything together with the coily wand again. Then I used a flattening iron to bob it out. So this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and comment on this, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe and notification button so you get notified when a new video is up on the channel. Stay safe, guys, and see you all in my next video. Bye.